Hi guys, we're in my garden today and we're taking a look at the cabbage. It's coming along really well, but over here this one is starting to form a head. As you can see, these look great. These cabbages are looking good. I got one over here that I put in a little later. But I have some more cabbages over here. They're in with my watermelon. These two cabbages, they're in a container. I tried to put them in a container to see how they were doing. These two cabbages look good. Starting to form heads. They're beautiful. Occasionally I pull off some of the under leaves to eat because they're excellent. See how I pulled some off over here? They're excellent in salads, and you just cook them up like regular cabbage. Anyway, these two over here have really got attacked by cabbage worms. I mean, they are all over. I came out here and sprayed them this morning with a high pressure pump sprayer and got all of them off, but as you can see, they're still on there and they've came back. And I mean, what happens is any sign of distress that your plants have, I just pick them off because I'm doing organic gardening. I probably am going to spray some neem oil on there, which is, I mean, at some point you got to do something or they'll eat all your cabbage, right? So you either spray some organic chemicals on there, or you pull them all up. Like, the best thing to do probably would be to pull these guys up to save the other ones. But I also kind of feel like if the caterpillar worms are trying to, they say that you should only plant 1/10. You should only expect to harvest 9/10 of your garden, and the rest is going to go to the cabbage worms. So, ooh, got mosquitoes out here. So maybe this is just the gift to the gods, right? This is the gift to nature. They get these two. But I'm thinking that one of two things is happening here. Either I leave them in and let all the cabbage worms get attracted to these guys and hopefully save the rest, or I pull them up. I'm going to spray them with neem oil and we'll see, but I just wanted to show you guys my cabbage and how beautiful it's looking. It's so pretty. And Gardener Drew. Hi. Alright, so thank you guys for taking a look. If you got any tips for cabbage worms and cabbage, let me know. And in a couple of weeks, we're going to have a lot of cabbage to eat. So get at me. Yeah, I know so. Have a good day. Happy gardening.